Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how you can transform your closure and make it look like a frontal, very natural and pink. So I started off by spraying the closure with some water, and I'm just going to comb it back because it's easier to pluck the closure while it's wet. So I'm just going to spray it with some water and conditioner, and I'm just going to start plucking. I want to pluck in different areas because if you pluck in the same position, you may end up having bald spots. And each time when you pluck, you want to go ahead and comb it or brush it through, because just plucking and not combing it, you may end up feeling like maybe the hair is not coming off or it's not becoming scanty. But when you comb it, you are going to see how the hair is becoming light and is looking even more natural. So I'm just going to keep plucking in different directions and not on the same spot. So I'm plucking on different spots such that I ensure that there's no bald spot. And in the simplest form, plucking is like trying to pull off some hair strands such that the hair doesn't look too dense and it appears more natural. Because if you try to study your hairline, you'll discover that in front, around where you have your baby hair, your hair is more scanty there, and as it goes backwards it becomes thicker. So that's the whole idea about plucking. So you pluck it to look more natural and not just start with too much hair at the front. So there has to be like a transition from a bit scanty then going back behind, going thicker. As you can see, the side that I've been plucking is already looking pretty different from the other side, as you can see. So I'm just going to continue. So I'll just keep spraying and plucking, spraying and plucking. Like I said, it's easier to pluck while the closure or frontal is wet. So I'll just keep plucking and plucking in different areas. Sorry about, I had no idea I'd placed the camera wrongly, so some areas are a bit out of frame, but I just hope you're understanding where I'm coming from and what I'm trying to explain. So I'm just going to take out a little part for like the baby hair. I'm going to pin it again in place and keep plucking. Just spray and pluck. See how the hair is coming off while you're plucking. So just keep plucking and plucking and plucking. See, it looks really natural. So when plucking, you want to go in sections. Like you pluck, you don't want to just pluck in one same spot like I've been saying throughout this video. You want to go in sections and make it even like lighter and make it less dense and all that. So that's why you see me breaking lines and just trying to make it look as natural as possible. So far this is how it's looking, and with plucking you have to take your time. This process can take at least maybe 45 minutes or an hour, so you need to really take your time, because starting off you may not even feel that you're doing anything. So I just went ahead to section my hair, take out the part for the baby hair. As you can see, it's already looking pretty natural. The hairline is looking pink. So I'm just going to take out that section and continue with my customizing process. So I'm just going to pluck the part a little bit such that it looks even more natural and airy and all that. So I'll just keep plucking and plucking and plucking. This video is actually like I increased the speed, so don't think this is how fast I'm doing it with real-time speed. So you just have to keep plucking, and when you're plucking, you're combing and seeing how far the progress is with what you're doing. So far, I hope you have learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, do also give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what else you like to see on my channel. So I just went ahead to pluck in different directions. I'm going to section off and just keep plucking. See, it looks really, really natural. I was going in for something supernatural, and I actually think I achieved my aim, because after I went out with this wig, everybody was like, oh, is it frontal, oh, is it your hair, oh, is it, like everything. And let me know what you think about this video, if you liked how the hair is going to turn out or how the hair turned out. So just let me know, just keep me updated. I do also give it a thumbs up, share with people. I know the key to knowing everything or trying to gain new skills is by practice. If you don't practice, you'll never know. So you have to try, maybe take an old closure or a frontal and just try to plug. I think aside this video, there are other videos on YouTube which you can watch, but I want to hope that this video is super explanatory and you can learn a lot from the video. So I just kept plucking and plucking, going with some water spray, your comb, just and it's looking pretty nice and airy. Like, that hairline is snatched, baby girl. Just keep plucking and plucking and plucking. Can you see that? Can you see that? So far, this is what we have been able to achieve, and it's looking pretty bomb. This is a very important process to also make your closure look natural. You go ahead and cut off, I don't know how this part is called, the ends of the closure, such that it just looks like a natural blend and not have those folded ends. So you want to go ahead and cut that, and you're going to see how this is going to change the whole install process and make it look so natural after cutting out those ends. So I went ahead to apply a foundation of my shade behind the closure because I had no time to bleach the knot, and this actually works perfect, so no need. I was in a haste, so I did some crazy cornrows, but girl, can you see that? It's already looking so nice and blended. I've not even installed it yet, but look at how the hairline is looking. It has just blended to my skin. Ooh. At this point, I was proud of myself, but as I went again, because I'm in Ami Extra, I went to pluck it some more just to make it, just to ease my spirit and to make it look even more flawless. When you have this image in your head, like this, how I want my hair to be, so you just keep plucking to make sure you arrive at that point. Yes. After that, I went in with my scissors just to shape the hair a little bit, because as you see, the bundles were like all over the place. So I'm just going to shape the hair and give it the nice pixie cut that I want it to be. So I'm just going to cut and then style the wig, install, and show you all the good stuff. So I'll just keep cutting. Cut. I actually did this video a long time ago, but I've not been able to upload. And with the outbreak of the pandemic and everything, I was trying to, fit into schedule, do what is needed for the pandemic and all that. So I'm going to be using my Got to Be spray to install this wig. So I'm just going to spray it on my hairline, then go in with my hand dryer, and I'm just going to make that tacky, then like the basic stuff. But if you want to see me install a frontal or something, like a very detailed tutorial how to customize a frontal from scratch, like bleaching the knots and everything, do want to let me know. Like, I'm at your service. Anything you want, I got you. So I'm just going to spray some on the hairline, then make sure it's nice. then going with my hair dryer just to make it tacky and just set everything. Then I went in with my hair scarf, and I'm just going to tie that to make it even more secure and make sure that by the time I'm taking off this hair by the time I'm taking off this hair scarf, this hair is laid. Sometimes you just lost your speech, like words don't even come out right. Voiceovers are hard, man. So I'm just going to, after about 20 minutes, because I had some other things doing in the house, after that I'm just going to take this out, and hopefully it's looking beautiful. Yes. Using my razor, I'm just going to cut the extra lace. You can actually do this before installing, but it all depends on you. So I'm just going to carefully cut out the extra lace, and everything already looks so blended. Like, can you see that? Yeah, no worries. I'm going to cut out that extra lace which you see there. At this time I was feeling the look, so I went ahead to cut out that extra lace, and can you see that? Hey baby. And this is another trick. If you want, after installing your hair or using the got2b spray, and maybe the front part is looking a little bit hard, you just have to go ahead and just comb through it to make it more relaxed, like you'll see me do. So I'm just going to hold down on the lace and just comb so it looks even more relaxed and nice. Then can you see that? Can you even tell me that's not my hair, girl? Can you see me on the street and think that's not my hair, fam? I was feeling like a métis, bruh. So you see, so I'm just going to like take out a little bit of baby hair and just do some crazy fake baby hair, which I ended up doing off camera because I tried doing it here and I lost the clip. So, but if you want a detailed baby hair tutorial on your lace frontal or anything, I'm thinking of doing a complete hair series, like a wig series or something, from beginner. Like, let's just carry each other along, how to maybe do wigs, closures and everything, and how you can style your wigs at home. So I just went in with my mousse. Like, having mousse is a must, especially when you have curly hair. So I'm just going to go in with water and mousse just to style this hair. Style this baby girl to look fire, bruh. Like, you need to look good. Sometimes you may make a good wig, but if it's not styled properly, trust me, you will not love the end result. So I'm just going to go in with my fingers, just arrange everything. Like, I was just looking nice. Like, let me know what you think about this wig. Is it nice? Is it something you're going to try out? And I know some people will be thinking or may want to ask, this changing your closure into a frontal, making it look like a frontal, is not just for curly hair. You can actually do this for straight hair too. I've actually done this for a straight hair and it's looking so beautiful. I bleached the knots and everything is looking so damn natural. So you want to try this out with whatever wig you have. Like, oh, this was giving me vibes. Thank you all for watching.